So Dad's finally got the tin in. He and his hired man are putting in these specific chunks that they got. It took us a while to get the tin in because one, he had to order it, but one of the shop was on some holidays and then had some out of town calls.
Move the block ahead. Don't lift it. Move the block ahead.
And so we cleaned underneath here the other day by pressure washing. And this is brand new tin. They it's 1/8 gauge. The old floor was just absolutely rotten. We didn't notice it when customer initially dropped off the Bombardier, but closer inspection once we got into the shop revealed that the floor was basically just rotten right out. So Dad actually started in here and put a chunk in that fitted and with a drain hole for the oil. And now we need 3 additional pieces here to get welded in. So they're just putting it all into place. And
get your block under there properly so that your jack is going straight up. No, you're gonna jack here.
Dad's just giving some light instruction.
Yeah, now put the jack under
And
right there.
we'll tune in here a bit.
Okay, now go to the other side. Don't worry about that for now. We gotta center it and get 1 inch. The other jack. Move the block. Get it further ahead. Go, go, go. Okay. Stick it in there somewhere.
So this is the Yellow Bombardier in the shop.
Your jack is in the center of the blocking. Okay. Now, I'm happy. Hey? I'm happy right there. Okay, well then, if you're that happy, let's get this centered. Push the front end over this way.
Push the front end to you.
South. So the fucking thing is square in the frame.
Okay.
How's that look? How much, hey, how much distance have you got from the edge to the, where we're gonna weld?
Yep, I'm looking, it's about flush with the other, with the last one on the back.
Okay, then go that way a little bit.
To me?
I don't know, something's wrong here today, but can't see the. Okay, get out of there. We just can't seem to get organized together today for some fucking reason or other. Too long way out of things. That's all you need. Now, we go to the other side. This side, you see one little gap in here on both sides. And so that means we've got to check both sides so it's even. And then we check here and we have 1 inch overlap. So that's to go ahead. Eh? Okay, go to the other side. Put your glasses on. Take this block and tap it over this way. Right about there. Front has to go a wee bit. You can get a hammer if you want. Hold it. This way a wee bit. Hold bit right there. No, I'm gonna go look. Just a one to even, eh? Okay, get out of there. It's not going anywhere.
So this is the tin that they put in. It actually had to be measured very specifically because it wasn't completely even
cut
all the
it
way
right
through.
to size, eh? So we can only have an inch. Jack that one up a wee bit. That jack. Just so it's touching. Okay, now go to the front. And tap it again. It's moving. Shit. It just seesawed. Like back here? Yeah. You make the last piece there. It's a little proud my way. Take your hand away from this. I can't see.
Watch your head.
I'm gonna go look at the other side. It's gotta be dead on me.
So Dad's bouncing between a couple jobs here in the shop. We've got the blue 1959 narrow gauge. Got the yellow unknown year because it doesn't have a tag. We actually got a airboat outside as well. Go take a quick gander at that. Dad actually wants to get the airboat out of the way here because we need to bring in 2 other pieces of equipment.
Come over here now, Coop. I'm gonna show you something.
But Dad's working on this airboat. We're waiting on some parts. And that's why Dad is moved over to the Yellow Bombardier right now because we just got that tin in. And a couple hours worth of welding here. He can actually have that floor back in and then we can focus back again on that Bombardier.
And should be good there because that was all ground. Hey?
Just that new weld, eh?
You can see we got a little more than an inch here, but we'll make it where this grind that flat, eh?
Dad's hired man is just doing a little grinding here so that they can do a proper weld.